Hi, my name is Keith and I'm one of the technicians here at Big Motoring World, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how to check your engine oil level. The most important reason for checking your engine oil level is the fact that the engine oil is the most important part of the car to keep your engine lubricated and the components lubricated. You'll need a couple of pieces of equipment to check your engine oil level, and that will be either a cloth or a piece of tissue, as I have here, and also engine oil. So if it does require topping up, this is what you will need to pour into the engine. To demonstrate this, I will now remove the dipstick, but have your cloth handy for the bottom of the dipstick because of excess oil dripping, because you don't want to get that all over your engine, and give the dipstick a wipe. Now, you have two marks. You have a minimum mark and you have a maximum mark. In between there equals normally 1 litre, but again, consult your owner's handbook on how to check this. And then what you do is you put dipstick back into the tube, release again, making sure your cloth's there, and then you can read your engine oil level. I'm going to demonstrate if your engine does need topping up, that you would pour your engine oil into the vehicle. This is a 1 litre can, but consult your owner's manual because there are different grades of engine oil that different engines do take, and it is vital you get the correct oil for the vehicle. To do this, you would remove the oil filler cap, and it'll have a little symbol of an oil can on there, so it gives you an indication of where that is. You would then take your engine oil, you would pour into the engine, and then afterwards you would do the dipstick procedure again. So you'd pull the dipstick out, give it a wipe, pull back in, and then you would check your oil. Again, your maximum mark is here, your minimum mark is here. In between here, it normally indicates 1 litre. So if your engine oil is okay from there onwards, you would pop your cap back on and secure, and then you are ready to go. For more tips and tricks, follow Big Wants Your Car.